Welcome to Satguru Engineering Works, a trusted name in wood processing machinery since 1986. Turn wood waste into profitable sawdust. Designed for high efficiency and heavy-duty performance, our machine processes wood waste quickly and produces uniform quality sawdust. Built with heavy-duty steel construction and high-quality components, the Satguru wood sawdust machine ensures smooth operation even under demanding working conditions. Its robust rotor and precision-engineered cutting system provide uniform particle size and high production capacity. With decades of manufacturing experience, Satguru Engineering Works has supplied machinery to customers across India and international markets. Our commitment to quality, innovation, and customer satisfaction has made us a preferred choice in the wood processing industry. Uniform sawdust output for briquette plants, pellet plants, and biomass industries. If you are looking for a reliable, high-performance wood sawdust machine, contact Satguru Engineering Works today.